All right, guys, we are going to do one example problem here that shows us how to combine like terms. So when we have a couple of different terms on one side of the equal sign. The first thing we're going to do here is take a look at number 13. We've got 12 equals 5c minus 12 plus 3c. So what we want to do here is put boxes around my my variables here, so c's in this case. And I'm also going to include that plus sign. So that's important because it tells us what to do with the two variables. Now we do our rewrite step. So we're going to put our variables next to each other. So I've got 5c, and then I've got the plus 3c over there. And then we just bring down the minus 12. So the minus and the 12 come down to be right on the end like that. Okay, so now we're going to combine my terms. So 5c's plus 3c's gives me 8c's. And now we're bringing down the minus 12 again. And now we just have a two-step equation. So we have c and minus 12 over here. We want to get rid of that minus 12. So we're going to add 12 to both sides of the equal sign. So that's going to give me 24 over here. And I still have my 8c left. And then the minus 12 and plus 12, those cancel each other out. Divide both sides by 8. And I end up with c is equal to 3. So we had 8 times c here. To get rid of the 8 times c, we divide both sides by 8. Now for our check, we're going to come up here and copy down the original equation. So it was 12 equals 5c minus 12 plus 3c. And every time I see a c, I'm going to put in a 3. Okay. And from here, all we have left are just numbers, right? So we're just going to follow my order of operations. I have some multiplication here, so I have to do this and that first. Okay, so 12 equals 5 times 3 is 15. Bringing down the minus, bringing down the 12, bringing down the plus, and then 3 times 3 is 9. Yeah, guess we're out of time. Now all I have left is adding and subtracting. When I have adding and subtracting left, I have to work from left to right. Okay, so we got to go left to right. So 15 minus 12 gives me 3. We bring down the plus 9. And then 3 plus 9 gives me 12. Okay, so that guarantees that we had the right answer for number 13. If we had something different here, something besides a 3, the right side of my equation would not end up equaling the left side. Okay, and that tells us that we made a mistake. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps you.